Types of bank accounts. Broadly speaking, there are four major types of bank accounts. They are savings bank account or SB, current account or CA, recurring deposit account or RD, term deposits or fixed deposits. Let us learn in detail about the first account, savings bank account. Who can open this SB account? Anyone who wishes to save can open this account. It is most suitable to the fixed income groups such as salaried people, pensioners, senior citizens, women, students, etc. Then what is the procedure to open SB account? The one who wants to open SB account can approach the bank of his or her choice, meet its office, collect the application form or proposal form, fill up the proposal form or application, submit the application form with necessary documents, and the bank officer who is in charge for opening SB account will scrutinize it. If the documents submitted are found suitable, then you will be asked to pay minimum deposit or initial deposit. The minimum deposit differ from bank to bank. It may be rupees 500 or 1000 or sometimes even zero balance account can also be opened. Operation of SB account. It can be operated individually or jointly. It is also called demand deposit account because the money can be withdrawn according to his requirements. The rate of interest on SB account will be given periodically, that is once in 3 months or quarterly. And the account holder can even get the nomination facility, that is at the time of opening SB account one can refer one of the family members name as nominee who can get the balance in his account in case if the account holder dies. SB account holder even gets checkbook or passbook facility also, and the amount of deposits and the number of withdrawals. In fact, the money deposited in the SB can be withdrawn according to his requirements either through check or through withdrawal slips available in the banks. With the improvement of information technology, ATM or debit cards have become quite popular either to pay the money or to withdraw the money. And nowadays, online transactions like Phone Pay, Google Pay, Paytm, etc. have become quite popular. Hence, SB account is called customer friendly account. Let us go to second one, what we have as current account. Who can open this current account? It is most suitable to the businessmen who have large number of regular bank transactions. There is no restriction on the number of deposits and withdrawals. That is, any number of times a person can deposit or withdraw the money according to his requirements. Hence, current account holders will not get any interest for their deposits. Instead, banks collect service charges from the current account holders for giving such facilities. Another peculiar feature of current account is overdraft facility. It means the current account holders can get are allowed to withdraw in excess of their cash balance, which has to be paid in due course. And this type of account does not promote saving habits or the habit of thrift. It facilitates smooth business transactions. The third account is recurring deposit account or RD. Who can open this RD? Anyone who wishes to save on monthly basis for a particular term can ask for RD account. And this account is most suitable to those who have regular saving habits. The rate of interest offered on RD is much higher than SB, that is savings bank account. And the RD account holder has to pay monthly basis for a term, and the term of RD may differ from individual to individual. It may be 1 year or even 3 years, 5 years, and so on. For example, if a person wishes to save on monthly basis rupees 5,000 and he chooses the term of 60 months or 5 years, the accumulated amount will be 3 lakhs. Rate of interest offered on RD is 8%. After the expiry of the term or maturity of the account holder will get principal and the interest. According to our example, if the account holder pays rupees 5,000 in a month for a term of 60 months, let us suppose he gets 8% interest after the expiry or maturity of the term. Account holder will get approximately 3,70,000, which includes principal amount plus interest. Such accumulated amount can be used for meeting long-term needs such as education expenses of the children, wedding expenses, or to meet the long-term needs such as buying costly items like car, gold, silver, jewelry, and other articles, property, etc. Let us go on to the fourth account, term deposit account or fixed deposit account. This account is very popularly known as FD. Then who can open this account? Anyone who can deposit lump sum amount of money can choose this account. And this account can be chosen for a particular term. The term may differ. It will be 1 month or 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, and so on. If he chooses more term, and the rate of interest will also be more, and the FD account holder gets highest rate of interest, and the interest given on FD is higher than RD and SB. This account holder can ask for renewal of the account. For example, if he has chosen 5 years term, assume he has opened in the month of April 2020 and the maturity period will be for 5 years and it will be matured for in April 2025. After the term is over, he can ask the bank official to renew the FD for the next term according to his requirements, or he can withdraw also. During the term, the FD account holder can ask for loans or advances on FD certificates, and he can withdraw the amount after the term is over. When the maturity is over, he is entitled to get the principal and the interest. So far, we have learned different types of bank accounts. Let us learn the advantages of opening a bank account. 1. Mobilization of savings. 2. Safe custody of money. 3. Helps to earn interest income. 4. Provides overdraft facility or OD, which we have learned under the heading current account. Loan facilities. Generally, the banks give different types of loans like housing loans, education loans, vehicle loans, business loans, etc. Point 5. Safety deposit locker facilities. Account holder get locker facility which he can use it to deposit his valuables like property documents or gold, silver articles, etc., for which he has to pay some amount of money as annual fee. Point. Collection of money, salary, pensions, etc., can be collected easily through the account. Smooth financial transactions. Facilitates ECS, that is electronic clearing scheme.